Hi, Cory Egan with Landscape Creations. We're at one of our coastal landscape projects working on one of our weathering steel drainage runnels. As you can see from this property, there's a large difference in slope, or a large difference in the top of the property and the bottom of the property. And so one of the designs by Design Outside, who are locally based, they're the landscape architect that we're working with, they put a lot of perforated drains behind the walls that we constructed, and we're conveying that water to our forebays and then entering this aesthetic weathering steel runnel. In terms of the flow of this design, the water will enter this part of the drainage runnel. There's a 2% pitch on the entire runnel. As you can see, we have pedestrian grates that we purchased from Urban Accessories, which are also weathering steel. This runnel will eventually be filled with native riverstone rock, and there'll be an auditory factor to this as well, where it'll sound like a babbling brook. The water will run down through the stones. We have little pieces of metal welded to the inside of the runnel that will hold all the stone, and then it will outflow at the other side of the wall. So this side of the house is actually a focal point of the entire property. Once this is all planted, this patio, these steps, and this entire area writ large will serve as a beautiful little babbling brook area of the property with water running down the runnel, beautiful deciduous and evergreen plants, and the coastal area right on your side.